What's up you guys, Foamsmith here. In my previous two videos I taught you guys how to make foam look like leather. In today's video I'm going to teach you how to give that leather fake stitching. You're only going to need a toothpick and some paint. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, so this is really easy. Before we actually use the paint, we're going to take our toothpick and we're going to kind of press into where we want the stitches to be. This is just to give us a guideline to where to add the paint. Not sure if you can see it. There we go. That's what we want. Now the next step, we're going to add some paint to our palette, or whatever you use to put your paint on. There we go, just a little bit. Now we're going to take the toothpick, dip it into the paint, and very gently go over the marks. It doesn't have to be perfect because you want it to look like it's hand stitched, but if you want it to look a little more perfect, just take your time and make sure the line goes straight. You can even try using a ruler to make sure the lines are like perfectly in line. But since this is supposed to look hand stitched, I'm gonna go and do it freehand, kind of messy. And this is how it looks in the end. Looks like fake stitching on leather. This is great for a number of things, but it's mostly to save time. And there you have it guys, that's how I make the fake stitching on my fake leather pieces, props, or whatever it is that I'm making at the moment. Only using a toothpick and some paint. If you guys like the video, make sure to like, comment, share with your friends, subscribe if you're on YouTube, follow if you're on Instagram or TikTok, and make sure to check out the link tree on my Instagram bio. Also, if you guys have anything that you think I can make a video on to help you out with your cosplay, make sure to leave a comment down below and I will be happy to look through them and make some videos on that. Till next time guys, I hope you liked it, I hope you learned from it, so stay crafting.